In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can deposit money into your Binance account from any currency. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you watch this video the whole way through to ensure that you get every step correct, because if you don't, you might mess something up, and we don't want you to lose money or anything like that. And before I start, I want to say if this video does help you, please be sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. So let's get into this. The first thing we want to do is we want to load up the Binance app like I've done here. Now you can also do this on the computer, and in some ways it is easier on the computer. Now once we've loaded it up like this, you can see I've logged into my account, and we can instantly see a deposit button here. So let me click on that and show you what this button does. So this here allows you to deposit money into your account, but there's a few different options here. So you can do P2P trading. So this is basically what they recommend, and if I click on here, it's going to tell me what it is. So this is different peer-to-peer transactions that you can do. So you can buy different things at different prices that people are trying to sell, and you're going to get probably better prices in here, I believe. Now these are a lot of settings you can fiddle with. It's not the easiest one to do, but it's probably one of the most recommended. So that's one option. The second option we can do, which I like to do, is buy with GBP. Now that is the pound, and you can use a Visa or MasterCard to pay with that. So I can click on here and it's going to take me to the section. So the first thing it's going to ask me at the very top is what I want to buy. So you can go here and you can select the crypto that you would like to buy. So let's say we want to buy BUSD. We can click on that one there, and we can type in here how much money worth we want to buy of BUSD. So let's say we want to buy £1,000 worth. We can click £1,000, and it's going to tell us how much BUSD we're going to get approximately, like that. So if we're ready to buy this amount, we can click buy here. So the next step here is going to ask you to pay with a card. Now I've already added 2 cards onto my account, but you can add a card here. Now be wary that some cards will not work. So things like, I think Santander, Barclays, those kind of cards will not work for this. A card that will work is Wise, so I'd recommend using a Wise card because those are very good. So once you've selected your card and you're ready to go, you can click confirm, and that's going to allow you to purchase your crypto with your card there. And that's basically the next way to do it. Now there is one final way to do it, and I'll show you how to do that. The last way we can deposit assets into our Binance is that we can go to the deposit crypto section here. So we can click on this here, and it's going to ask us what crypto we already have that we want to deposit. So you'd want to use this if you have money in MetaMask, for example, or something like that. So let's say we have some ETH. We can click on this here. It's going to ask us which network we're on. Now it's probably going to be ERC20, but you have to make sure you select the correct one based upon what your wallet has. So be wary to make sure you select that correct, because if you don't, you might accidentally send the wrong one and it might work. So once you click on that, it's going to give you an address to send it to. And what you can do from there is you can put that address into your wallet or whatever it is, into your smart wallet like MetaMask, and you can send the crypto from there to your Binance account, just like that. Then it should be added and you'll be able to use it. But that's basically the main ways you can add money into Binance. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below that it helped. Thank you for watching.